Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. Let's take a look at the relevant support resistance levels and the roadmaps we have here on the chart. At the moment it looks as if the price could get ready for another corrective pullback. After breaking initial resistance, I think it got broken last week, we obviously unlocked price, as you could say, in the first instance to $32.83. Why is that? Because so by breaking above initial resistance, I think we had a trend line here. The price said, okay, at least I want to rally in a larger corrective rally, okay, because the initial downtrend got broken. So the direct, immediate downtrend got broken. That's the first sign that the bulls might want to take control. That's why I said to you, if we break above that initial resistance, we can consider more bullish options with higher likelihood. But there are still a lot of things that can go wrong because, you know, this move up, which is the blue count, which is the bullish scenario, highlighted here, obviously in blue, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which should reach 5 waves, well, which should reach $44 at least in 5 waves. It's only a diagonal pattern. So the first rally is in 3 waves. That always leaves the door open to a larger corrective rally. Had this initial move up been a 5-wave move, it would be much more clearly bullish. So all I'm saying is we have to be on the side of caution. But breaking above initial resistance, yeah, upside momentum started to come in. And it means that to confirm we're heading down further, obviously that upside momentum needs to break first, for example, with a break below support. But then obviously we need to understand the key pivots for that white scenario, which is still short-term bearish, which might lead to a test of $12.62 to $16.96. But I need a break of support to confirm that. And it's important to understand that at the moment, both could still push a bit higher. Let's first start with the short-term bearish scenario. In this scenario, we have an initial rally, ABC in wave W, a move down in wave X, and then the move up would be another ABC structure. And a key level here is $32.83. That's the first ideal target for wave Y of X, which is a corrective rally, which could then lead to a move down. All I'm saying is watch that level, and there's a good chance to getting there at the moment as it looks. Don't have to, but it would be ideal because the 100% extension is typically an ideal target. So it's, you know, if we get a pullback now and it's corrective and we land in this support area, that could even in the white count be a possible opportunity. So B wave pullback, rally in wave C in this structure, and then we go down. Support is between $21.95 and $25.23. If we push a little bit higher before the pullback, then we might have to adjust micro support, or not we might have to, we have to. Now, also in the blue count, we could follow a similar pathway. So in the blue count, we bottomed here in a wave 2 in September, around the 6th of September, but also the move up is not impulsive. So we're dealing with corrective structures. This might also have been an A wave, B wave pullback, but the C wave should then take us to 39.55 at least. That would be the first ideal level for a third wave. So only then I can call it really a third wave that's viable, a viable third wave, and we can still watch for another 4-5 pattern afterwards. Okay, so this would be the bullish pathway, but for the bullish pathway I need all 5 waves completed to really confirm that a larger low formed here on the 5th of August. So that means in the very short term, we could still stretch a little higher. Next Fibonacci levels to watch are $29.44 and $30.77. $32.81 or 83, sorry, should be an ideal target for wave Y in white. But I would prefer a pullback before we get there. Or I should rather say if a pullback unfolds, that could be another opportunity, even though it's not like a high quality, high confidence setup because of these corrective structures. But that's the area where ideally, you know, as long as we are moving higher, support should be found, because any break below $21.95 could indicate that we've already topped and we're heading down sooner than later. But for now, I'm still watching for higher, possibly after a pullback. And then this will be a decision spot for, you know, decisions here. That's the update about AVAX. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.